welcome to the Blitz News channel. Let's talk about this big update. Once again, a major road accident has happened in MP. Major road accident was witnessed in Dhar district at 7 a.m. where two laborers have died in a strong collision between a pickup vehicle and a truck, and four have been seriously injured. While both the workers died on the spot, the injured have been referred to Dhar for a first aid. In fact, two people have died in a road accident on Amjera Manavgat Road in Dhar district at 7 a.m. on Sunday. At the same time, four have been seriously injured in the collision between a pickup vehicle and a truck. According to the information, the accident happened near Sheetala Mata temple. Its sources are to be believed a pickup vehicle full of laborers from Manavgat was going towards Amjera, but the pickup vehicle collided with a truck coming from Amjera towards Manavgat. As soon as the collision occurred, the workers fell on the road where they died. As soon as the information about this incident, the police reached the spot and the injured were sent to Amjera for treatment, while the seriously injured were referred to Dhar for first aid. Apart from this, the dead have been sent to Community Health Center, Amjera, for post-mortem. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.